Hi, kindergartners. Today we are going to be talking about relationships and communications through technology. And I'm sure so many of you, not all of you, but so many of you have an iPad or have a family computer or something that you watch YouTube with or play games or just different fun activities or learning new information, which is fantastic. But we need to learn different ways that we can use technology to be safe. So I'm going to teach you 3 ways that we can be safe on the internet through our relationships and our communication. Number 1 is to ask your parents for permission. We need to ask our parents for permission so we can do the right things, we can learn the right things, and just make sure we're not doing anything we're not supposed to be doing. Number 2, we can talk to people, only people that we know. I'm sure we all talk to our grandparents through technology. You might call your cousins, your aunt, uncles, even your parents. But we just need to make sure that you are not talking to any strangers, just like we would in person. And just make sure that you know the person who you are talking to. And number 3, stick to places that are right for you. Going on the internet, there are so many different resources that we can use, but we just need to understand and know what places that we can go on the internet and what is safe for us. Thank you.